In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams sign-in issues. If you're stuck on the sign-in screen, or Teams just refuses to log you in, don't worry. We're going to walk through a simple process step by step to get you back up and running. First, we want to make sure that Microsoft Teams itself is fully up to date. An outdated app is one of the most common reasons sign-in suddenly stops working. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer and look for the option to check for updates. Depending on your version, this is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or the three dots in the top right corner, then choosing to check for updates. Give it a moment to run. If an update is available, let it download and install, then close Teams completely and open it again. Try signing in once more and see if that solves the issue. If Teams reports that it's already up to date, or updating doesn't fix the problem, the next thing to look at is your computer's date and time settings. Microsoft Teams, like many online services, relies on accurate time information to establish a secure connection to the server. If your clock is even a little bit off, it can sometimes block you from signing in. On Windows, go down to the bottom right corner of your screen, click on the date and time, and choose the option to adjust date and time. Make sure your time zone is correct, and if you see an option that says something like Set Time Automatically, turn that on. Then allow your system a few seconds to sync. Once that's done, close the settings window, restart Microsoft Teams, and try signing in again. Often, just correcting the date and time fixes mysterious sign-in problems. If you've checked for updates and confirmed that your date and time are correct, but you still can't sign in, the last step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Teams. This helps remove any corrupted files or old configurations that might be interfering with the sign-in process. Go to your system's apps or program settings, find Microsoft Teams in the list, and choose to uninstall it. Once the uninstall is complete, restart your computer. After the restart, open your web browser, go to the official Microsoft Teams download page, and install the latest version from there. When the installation finishes, open Teams, enter your account details, and try signing in again. By carefully following these steps in order, you should be able to resolve most common Microsoft Teams sign-in issues and get back to your work or meetings without further interruption.